Global warming is having devastating effects on wildfire frequency and magnitude. As thousands of acres burn every day all over the world, there's now a new weapon in the battle against wildfires. It's called the Make It Rain wildfire defense system. It easily attaches on hydrants already installed on every street. It's durable, efficient, and low cost. It can be engaged manually or remote by the fire department when danger is approaching a subdivision, a neighborhood, or even a small town like the one in North Texas. With climate change impacting fire danger every day, we need every tool available to equip and help our firefighters make an impact. Until now, we could only react to fires, but it's too late when the homes are already in flames. With this system, we provide the prevention method. The fire will not burn a neighborhood that's all wet. Under the protection of the system, it's quick and cheap to install. Hundreds of homes, property, and sometimes lives will now have a fighting chance. Go to our website at makeitrainwildfire.com and find out more.